How to replace a Human Touch Super Novo 2.0 ledge panel. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver and a small flathead screwdriver. Be sure to save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, power off the chair, then unplug it. Using a small flathead screwdriver, pry a corner of the rubber mat off the ledge panel. Use your fingers to remove the rubber mat. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, loosen or remove the 4 screws that secure the ledge panel to the chair. Lift the ledge panel out of the chair, then, if you're replacing a left ledge panel, disconnect the 2 connectors at the front of the panel and the one at the rear. Now, let's replace it. If you are installing a left ledge panel, first connect the 3 connectors. Place the ledge panel into position front end first, press down firmly, then replace the 4 screws to secure it. If you are replacing a left ledge panel, position the new rubber mat with the word charge facing upward and readable while sitting in the chair. Peel the protective backing off the rubber mat, carefully align the mat with the rectangular depression in the ledge panel, then press the mat firmly into place. Smooth the edges of the mat to ensure that it is adhered. Finally, plug in the chair, power it on, and you're done.